Good evening, everyone, and you are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. And today video, it is a continuation of the previous video. That is the we are discussing some problems are related to the different types of the entrance examination, like the JAM examination, IIT JAM examination, as well as the MSc entrance examination. So many types of the books is very helpful for the this type of entrance examination. And out of the books, the one book is the Arun Bahl and Bahl, BS Bahl and Arun Bahl, and its problem is related to the organic chemistry from the Bahl and Bahl aromatic organic chemistry. The question is that the aromaticity and electrophilic substitution problem related to the aromaticity and electrophilic substitution reaction, and pyrrole is more reactive than benzene, and toward electrophilic aromatic substitution. Explain this observation and predict the preferred position C2 and C3 for nitration in pyrrole. In nitration, what is the structure of the pyrrole? It is the structure of pyrrole, right? And nitration in the pyrrole, NH. Okay, C6H5, C4H4NH. Benzene, it is a derivative of the benzene. Pyrrole is a derivative of the benzene. And more reactive. We find the more reactive. Now solve it. The reactivity. The reactivity of the pyrrole. The pyrrole formula of the pyrrole is the C4H4NH. It is the derivative of the benzene. Is a pi excessive, right? Heterocyclic. It is the heterocyclic compound, aromatic compound. The lone pair of the nitrogen. In this compound, the lone pair of the nitrogen atom, right? Atom is delocalized into the 5 member. Delocalization is possible like that. Delocalization is possible like that, and making the ring carbon much more electron rich than those benzene. This high electron density, because of the extra number of electron is present due to the presence of the lone pair of electron and possibility of delocalization of the this electron, that is the this compound is the electron rich compound because of the presence of the lone pair of electron and their delocalization, and this high electron density facilitates the faster attack by the electrophile. It is the reason. And this is selectivity. How to select the C2 versus C3? So how to select? That is the substitution at C2. C2 is the alpha position is preferred, and attack at C2 produce a carbocation. When the attack on the C2, that is the production of the carbocation, is the intermediate during the reaction and stabilized by the 3 resonance structure. स्टेबलाइज बाय द 3 रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर एंड अटैक्स एट C3. अब C3 पे अटैक होता है तो क्या होगा? प्रोड्यूस एन इंटरमीडिएट डिस्टेबलाइज्ड बाय ओनली 2 रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर, only 2 resonance, and C2 gives 3 resonating structure and C3 gives 2 resonating structure. Which is the more stable? Since the transition state leading to the C2 intermediate is lower in energy, C2 is lower in energy because of the high resonance structure. That is, the stability is high due to the more resonance structure, and if the stability is high, then the energy is the energy due to the greater resonance stabilization. The reaction occurs predominantly at the C2 position. कहाँ पे होगी? Okay. C2 is the kinetic and thermodynamic favorite. रिएक्शन यहाँ पे इजीली हो जाती है, इसलिए फेवरेट कौन सा होगा? काइनेटिक और थर्मोडायनामिक. देयर इज नो रेस्ट्रिक्शन फॉर द रिएक्शन. ओके, now C3 reaction only dominant if the C2 position is physically blocked. अब C3 में रिएक्शन कब होगा? जब C2 को आप क्या कर देंगे? ब्लॉक कर देंगे. यदि C2 भी है, C3 भी है, तो प्रेफरेंस कहाँ जाएगा? C2 पे जाएगा, है ना? तो इस कंडीशन में C2 यदि कंप्लीटली ब्लॉक होता है, देन प्रेफरेंस गोज टू द C3. ओके, and groups, or if a very bulky protecting group is attached to the nitrogen. For example, Manish reaction, acetylation, and electrophilic attack. All these reaction examples of this type of the regioselectivity. And this process or this phenomena known as the regioselectivity. दो चीजें आपके पास, उसमें से कौन सी सिलेक्ट होगी तो आप कैसे करेंगे? तो आप ऐसे करेंगे, चेक द स्टेबिलिटी एंड द एनर्जी स्टेट. ओके, एंड व्हेन यूजिंग द अरुण बहल, जब यदि हम अरुण बहल की बुक यूज करते हैं, तो इस बुक में बहुत अच्छे से दिया हुआ है रेड डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप्स एंड intermediate formation. Okay, thank you.